Chapter 4. Restore your energy before you restore your life. You cannot transform your life with a drained mind. You cannot upgrade your habits with an exhausted body. You cannot build a powerful identity while running on empty. Energy is not optional. Energy is the foundation. Most people think their life is broken, but what's actually broken is their energy. They are not failing because they are incapable. They are failing because they are depleted. They are mentally tired, emotionally stretched, physically overworked, and spiritually disconnected. And when your energy is low, everything feels impossible. Discipline feels heavy. Action feels slow. Focus feels painful. Even simple routines feel overwhelming. This is why the 7-hour rule revolves around alignment. And alignment requires energy. Without energy, you cannot stay consistent. Without energy, you cannot build momentum. Without energy, you cannot grow. Energy comes first, always. Point 1. Your energy is a signal, not a mystery. When your energy is low, your life starts sending warnings. You become irritable. You become unfocused. You become lazy. You become inconsistent. These are not personality flaws. They are energy alarms. People ignore these alarms and think they need motivation. They don't. They need recovery. They need clarity. They need space. They need rest. Your body speaks to you through signs. Your mind speaks to you through resistance. Your habits speak to you through inconsistency. Low energy creates low identity, and low identity creates low results. You cannot pour from an empty mind. You cannot act from an empty heart. You cannot grow from an empty body. The first step to restoring your life is restoring your energy. Point 2. Your environment is draining you more than your effort. Most people blame themselves for being tired, but the real reason is often external. Too many notifications, too much noise, too many demands, too many people pulling your attention, too much information hitting your brain. Your environment is silently draining your energy every day, not through big events, but through constant micro-stress. This is why you need boundaries. Boundaries protect your energy. Boundaries protect your focus. Boundaries protect your direction. Winners are not more talented. They simply protect their energy better than everyone else. They know what drains them. They know what fuels them. They know who pulls them away from alignment. Look at your own life. Who drains your mind? What habits drain your identity? What routines drain your motivation? What places drain your clarity? If you don't audit your environment will control your future. Energy is not accidental. It is a choice. You choose what drains you. You choose what feeds you. You choose what stays in your life. If you want to restore your energy, remove the leaks. Remove the noise. Remove the unnecessary. Remove anything that weakens your focus and steals your strength. This is how you rebuild yourself, not through force, but through protection. Point 3. Your energy returns when your habits align with your future. You cannot restore your energy with the same habits that drained it. You need alignment. You need routines that support your growth, not sabotage it. Energy grows from consistent choices. Sleep well, eat clean, move your body, breathe deeply, reduce clutter, reduce noise, reduce mental chaos. Your habits are either charging you or draining you. Every habit has a cost or a return. Every routine builds you or breaks you. When your habits align with the person you want to become, your energy rises automatically. You don't need motivation. You don't need hype. You don't need force. Alignment creates natural energy. And when your energy returns, your discipline returns. Your creativity returns. Your confidence returns. Your focus returns. Your identity strengthens. You cannot restore your life without restoring your energy. Energy is the power source behind transformation. Energy is the foundation behind discipline. Energy is the engine behind momentum. Restore your energy, and your life follows. You have rebuilt your strength. Now it's time to rebuild your confidence. Next chapter, build confidence through evidence, not emotion.